Hello, how are you? We're going to start that sheet today. The electric's back on. Hopefully things will go fucking right today for some reason. I don't know why. But maybe I should have had that stand actually. But don't matter, that'll do. I'll just get some tools. Right, I'll just cut that sheet. Electric working. Thanks to the lady at the hairdressers, Cart DM, Timoth Road I think it's called. She cut my hair and it's fucking freezing. Never mind. Right, fingers crossed. I'll just put this in place. I think it's that way around. That's the wrong person way. I'm busting for a pee, I'll be back in a minute. I'm back. Right, let's sort this fucking sheet out. Right. Thing. There, I've taken out one wheelbarrow load of rubbish off the floor because the idiot that built this put too much in here. So Sally wants some nice pretty gravel on the floor, and that's your pretty end Oh, which looks not too bad. That's me finished for the day. She allows me to work up till 2 o'clock and then gives me the afternoon off, bless her. I'll just go and see what she's doing. Do you remember that? I think she's planted a tree that a lady from Park Hill Road, Torquay, gave to us very kindly, opposite the Imperial Hotel, bless her. Very kind-hearted lady. I think she's bloody camping, wouldn't you? I think she is camping. When do the poppies come out? Hey? Have they eaten any more? Oh, that's very good what you've done. I could sleep in that one. Bit of tape. Yeah, they're still eating the bottom, aren't they? Where did you put the tree down the bottom?
Down there, on the next to the fence.
I'll just go and show you what hard work she's done. She loves her garden. Oh, I see it. I see it. That brings back memories. Doesn't leak anyway. Well, I haven't been here when it's raining, so. Oh, there it is. Wow. That's to keep the dog walkers out and the wild boar that live in this area. Sally's estate. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm back. I think she's building an aeroplane. That's quite good stuff, isn't it? Yeah. I was going to go fishing, but not now.
Just trying to devise something to stop the deer or whatever it is eating the conifers.
Yeah, do you want to put a camera here? Hmm? Do you want to put a camera to see? Could be that wild boar that lives next door.
Some of that crushing that little plant there.
You can't. I think I'll do another one of those.
Another one of those? What,
yeah,
frame?
for the little plant. Let's have a look.
Yeah. I'm making a little separate.
Do a separate one, put the rock on top, put the plant inside it. I'll have a look, see if I've got a bigger one. But that one doesn't seem to be touched.
Yeah, it is. It's been eaten. You can see here.
Where?
Here and here.
Oh,
and
not
here.
much. I don't like that one. The flavour's not quite right.
Yeah, but if they haven't got anything else to munch, they might start munching on that one.
Well, I ain't going to stay here. It might eat me.
So I'm just trying to devise so I don't think the wind's gonna last in the wind though.
No, it'll blow that away. This one's okay.
Yeah.
Did you put the put this up again?
That was down.
Yeah, the wind took it.
Oh, didn't know. All there.
Just, it was to stop the frame from going,
Okay.
and the wood went instead. Mind, it was 90 mile an hour wind. I think that one will be alright.
I think the wind will just take this straight away.
Take that one away, yeah. Let's try and devise something. I'll be over.
Okay.
Cup of tea.